Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about can I enforce session re-authentication for sensitive document access in a virtual data room. Yes, you can enforce session re-authentication for sensitive document access in a virtual data room VDR as an additional layer of security to protect confidential information sessions. Re-authentication is a security feature that requires users to provide their credentials again. Username and password multi-factor authentication after a certain period of interactivity or when attempting to access specific sensitive documents or perform certain actions within the video. Here are some steps to consider when implementing session re-authentication in a virtual data room. Identify sensitive documents. Determine which documents or sections of your VDR contain the most sensitive information. These include financial reports, legal contracts, intellectual property, or other confidential data. Define re-authentication triggers. Establish clear triggers for when session re-authentication is required. This can include actions like accessing sensitive documents, downloading files, or making significant changes to documents. Set time-based expiry. Implement a time-based session expiry policy. For example, if a user is inactive or for a specific period 15 minutes, their session should expire and they will need to re-authenticate when they return. Implement role-based access control. Assign different levels of access and permission to users based on their roles and responsibility within the VDR. Ensure that sensitive documents are only accessible to authorized personnel. Enable multi-factor authentication (MFA). Consider implementing MFA as a part of the re-authentication process. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to provide something they know, something they have, one-time code from a mobile app, logging and audit trails, keep detailed logs of user activities, including when re-authentication events occur. This can be helpful for monitoring and auditing purpose. User educations. Educate users about the importance of session re-authentication and proper data security practice within the VDR. Provide a clear instruction on how to re-authenticate when necessary. Testing and monitoring. Regularly test the session re-authentication process to ensure it works as intended. Monitor for any anomalies or unauthorized access attempts. Compliance consideration. Depending on your industry and the nature of the sensitive data, ensure that your session re-authentication policies align with relevant compliance regulation and standards. Continuous improvement. Security threats involve so regularly review and update your session re-authentication policies and procedures to stay ahead of potential vulnerabilities. Implementing session re-authentication in a video can significantly enhance the security of sensitive documents and help prevent unauthorized access. However, it's essential to strike a balance between security and usability to ensure that legitimate users can access the information they need without undue friction.